Good morning and welcome to Savage Off-Road. Thanks for joining us. We've finished a build on this Tank 300. It's parked up next to my Tank 300. There's a substantial amount of mods done to mine. As you can see, the height difference is very different. We're both running the Hooped Savage Off-Road Bull Bar with 32-inch light bars. However, I'll give you a quick rundown on my rig. It's on Portals 37s. It's also got a 3-inch suspension lift. It's huge. It's got the whole works on it. Got the carbon off-road winch. Anyway, we're not here today to talk about my car. We're here to talk about this car we've just finished. So this is a customer of ours, brought it in. He said, I pretty much want most of your catalog. I said, no worries, bring it in, we'll have a look. So we've got the Hooped Bull Bar on here, built-in 32-inch light bar, all rigged up to the factory switch, because our harness integrates to the factory switch in the middle and then overrides on your high beams. We've changed the grille. We've put new headlights in so they're brighter, they look better vision on the road. We've got our recovery points built into our bull bars with the bash plate. We've done our 2-inch lift on it. So it's lifted 2 inches. These are the MK side steps that we do. We do those, and then we've also got our model coming out, which will be a little bit different design to this. Similar design, however, we're gonna have a rail running underneath it. So these mount to the chassis rail, but our ones will have a mount to the chassis rail, plus it'll have a big bar across the center of it so that it's easier to slide over stuff. So these are still strong. Ours will just be an improved version. We also put our new glossed out blackout handle covers on here. So as you can see, you've got the gloss blackout handles. The customer is going to be doing a bit of full driving on this. We've put a UHF in it. All right, so inside we've got the UHF. We've got the Uniden Trax X-Track Pro. We really like this radio. I've been using it for the past week. The reason I like it is because of the design of it. It's got the replay button. One of the most handiest features I've found on that is I'm always listening to music, and then my mates be like, they'll say something and I'll be like, I kept saying, what did you say? And then I remembered, oh, hang on, it's so easy. You just press replay and you can replay whatever they said. So you don't need to keep asking what they were saying. Anyway, so that's mounted on our bracket. That's on our website, the full bracket that uses the factory bolt on here. So then you can get your Uniden mount or whatever mount you want on here and just stick it straight on there. Easy as. Now we're at the back of the vehicle. We've also put the MK tire carrier on here. It's a very nice built, high quality tire carrier, so you can run bigger tires on here without stressing the door. So this customer's opted for 285 70/17 tires to go on here. He's putting 83 Falcon Wild Peaks on here. He's going to put them on right now. So he's going to put some big tires on it, it'll look better. We've also got the antenna bracket mounted on the back rear door. Very easy. It's a nice fitment. It won't get caught when you're passing trees or anything because it sits inside. It uses the factory bolts on the rear door to mount up. Looks tidy, easy fitment. You can fit one of these UHFs with this bracket and mount the UHF under the driver's seat. Fits perfectly, and you're looking at about an hour install to get a UHF on this car, which is pretty quick. Now we've also got the beautiful taillight surrounds that a lot of customers like to run. So we've put those on it for him. So this is the platform that goes on top of the factory rails. We've got our premium one, which we recommend very highly. However, this customer wanted this design slide ladder, which folds out. So he's opted for this platform with this ladder. So then it mounts on your factory rails. The carrier capacity is not quite as much as our premium rack. However, it's more than enough for what he needed. So he's gone for this option and the ladder folds down. All right, so we've just unlocked it. It folds down like so. There you go, as easy as that. And then you can just climb up onto your platform and get stuff on and off very easily. So there you go. Then you just make sure you lock it up, make sure that's locked. Easy as. It's locked so no one can't walk past and just open it up on you. Another good thing about this platform and our other platforms, a lot of our platforms we've sold now, we've also got a full length for people that don't care about the sunroof, but this platform still has the sunroof hole visible. Nice big space opening. We've removed the front bars on this. So it comes with front bars. We've decided to remove it for the customer so he can use the back half of the platform and he still has his nice sunroof. And on beautiful days like this, you can enjoy the countryside drives. On the roof of the Tank 300, as you can see, it's got our Savage Off-Road branding on it. Full integrates to the factory rail, so there's no modifications needed. It just bolts up to the factory rail. It has all the Trax T-slots, so you can use most of your accessories on the market will fit on this platform with no issues because you've got all the slots. So you can mount awnings, accessories, whatever you want up here. There you go. Savage Off-Road, we have everything for you. Come down and see us in Brisbane, Loganholme. If you're around Australia, we ship Australia-wide. Thanks for joining us. Have a good one.